Hey everyone, in this video I wanted to talk to you about how you can self-release your pelvic floor and your glutes to prepare for labor and delivery. So this is a great exercise that you can do throughout your third and second trimester, and all you'll need is a orange Franklin ball. Now these are very easy to purchase on Amazon. They usually come in a set of 2, and while they are a little bit more on the expensive side, these are one of my favorite tools to have in my toolbox, and I would say pretty much almost all my patients have these in their home. So what we're going to do first is we're going to locate our sits bones. Now, the goal with these exercises is to really relax specific pelvic floor muscles called your levator ani and your obturator internus. Now, you can look up these muscles, but these are muscles that are very important because they need to be able to lengthen and relax to allow your pelvis to open up at the bottom during pushing phase. So first, we're going to locate our sits bones. So you're just going to sit on your hands. And you're just going to notice that there are these 2 big bones that you're sitting on, your sits bones. So you're going to put that Franklin ball on that sits bone. So it's okay. You're not going to pop these balls. You're really just going to put your weight onto those sits bones. Now, to find the levator ani and the obturator internus, you're going to gradually move your body so that Franklin ball is sitting between your anus and your sits bone. So you're going to notice there's some like muscular tissue there. It's a little bit more squishy. It's not a bone. And this is your levator ani and obturator internus. And you're just going to sit and melt your body down into the ball. Now it's going to feel a little bit tender. Mine feels a little bit tight. And you're just going to sit there and just relax. And you're just going to try to breathe into the ball. So I'm going to have you inhale and exhale. Inhale down. Exhale. You're just going to breathe for a couple of times. So I would have you do this on both sides. So right now I'm doing my left. And then I'm going to do the right. Now you should feel a little bit more open down in your pelvic floor after you do this exercise. So same thing with the right side. We're going to put the Franklin ball on our sits bone. We're going to let the ball fall inside of the sits bone, so that's between the sits bone and the anus. And we're just going to let our muscles sink down. And just continue breathing in and out. Great. Awesome. So that is the first exercise, which it is just a static melting of your pelvic floor muscles over the Franklin ball. Now the next one we're going to do is we're going to let that ball massage up and down. So we're going to find that same starting point. So you're going to place that Franklin ball between your anus and your sits bone. And once you find that spot, you're just going to maintain that angle or that vertical direction as you go massage the ball up and down. So you're not massaging laterally. You're just going up and down along kind of like your sacrum area, along the tailbone, just massaging up and down. Now, this can be a little bit more challenging as you get bigger, like let's say the belly's in the way or it's too much weight for your wrist to hold yourself up. If that's the case, you can probably do it in sitting. But that's why I really recommend starting to do these in your second trimester when you're not as big, and you can do this a little bit more easily. So again, I'm doing the right side. I have the ball rolling up and down between the area between my sits bone and my anus. It's kind of massaging along my sacrum, along the tailbone. Again, mine feels really tight, but it's really nice. And you can do this for about 10, 15 times per side. All right, so that was the second exercise. So I wanted to show you those 2 exercises. So the first one, again, was just the static release, the melting the pelvic floor muscles. The second one was more of a dynamic massage, rolling up and down along the pelvic floor muscles. So give those a try. Let me know what you think. Afterwards, you're going to feel hopefully a little bit more relaxed. And if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments.